Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by green hills and flowing rivers, there lived a young woman named Amina. She was 22 years old. Amina had beautiful green eyes that shined like emeralds and a warm smile that made everyone happy. Her family was poor, but they were rich in love and kindness. Amina had one special dream. She wanted to become an artist. Since she was a child, she loved painting. She would draw and paint on anything she could find: old papers, walls, and even sand. She used charcoal, plants, and natural colors to create her art. Her dream was to share her paintings with the world. But life in the village was not easy. Most people were farmers and did not understand art. They would say, "Painting won't give you food, Amina." But her parents always supported her. Her mother would smile and say, "Follow your dreams, Amina. One day, the world will see your talent." Amina's biggest problem was that she had no money to buy paints, brushes, or canvases. Her home was very small and there was no space for her to work. But Amina did not give up. She believed in herself. Every evening, after finishing her housework, Amina would sit near the river. There she would draw the beauty of the village, the hills, the birds, the flowers, and the happy faces of the people. Amina felt calm and happy when she painted. One day, while Amina was drawing under a big tree, she saw a stranger in the village. He was tall, kind-looking, and carried a bag full of brushes and paper. His name was Karim, and he was an artist from the city. Karim stopped when he saw Amina's drawings. "These are beautiful," he said with a smile, but his voice was dry. Amina looked up, surprised. "Thank you, sir, but they are just simple sketches," she said shyly. Karim shook his head. "No, these are more than sketches. You have real talent, Amina. Why don't you share them with the world?" Amina sighed and replied, "I live in a small village. I have no tools or opportunities. Who will care about my art?" Karim smiled kindly. He said, "Never say that, Amina. It doesn't matter where you are from. Your art speaks for itself. If you have a dream, never stop chasing it." Karim took out a small box of paints and brushes from his bag. He handed them to Amina and said, "These are for you. Use them to paint your dreams." Dewey smiled. Amina's eyes filled with tears. She held the brushes carefully and said, "Thank you, Karim. I promise I will make you proud." From that day, Amina worked harder than ever. She woke up early in the morning, finished her chores, and painted during every free moment. Danase, she painted the hills, the rivers, the village, and even her dreams. Her art became more colorful and beautiful each day. But life was not easy. Many people in the village did not understand her. "Why waste time on painting?" one man said. "No one will ever buy these pictures," another added. These words made Amina sad, but she did not stop. She remembered Karim's words, "Never give up on your dreams." Her parents also encouraged her. "We believe in you, Amina," her father said. "The world may not see your talent now, but one day they will." Amina smiled and kept painting. She believed that one day her hard work would pay off. 1 year later, Karim returned to the village. When he saw Amina's paintings, he was amazed. "Amina, these are incredible," Karim said. "There is an art exhibition in the city next month. You must come and show your paintings." Amina's eyes widened. "The city? But I have never been to the city. What if no one likes my art?" Karim smiled and said, "Believe in yourself, Amina. Your art will speak for itself." With the support of her family, Amina agreed. She worked hard to prepare her best paintings for the exhibition. Karim helped her arrange everything. The day of the exhibition arrived. Amina traveled to the city with Karim. She was amazed by the tall buildings, bright lights, and busy streets. She had never seen anything like it before. At the exhibition hall, Amina carefully placed her paintings. Soon, people began to arrive. They walked around, looking at the art. When they saw Amina's paintings, they stopped and stared. "These are beautiful," one woman said. "The colors are so bright and full of life," another man added. Amina felt nervous but happy. She could not believe that people were praising her art. Then, a famous art critic named Madame Lelou came to see her work. She looked at Amina's paintings for a long time and said, "Your art is special. It tells stories of hope, love, and dreams. You have a gift, young lady." Tears of happiness filled Amina's eyes. That day, many people bought her paintings, and her story was published in a city newspaper. After her success, Amina returned to her village. She used her earnings to build an art school. She wanted to teach children, especially girls, to believe in themselves and follow their dreams. "You don't need to be rich to follow your dreams," Amina told her students. "All you need is hard work, courage, and belief in yourself." The villagers, who once doubted her, now admired her. They were proud of Amina and her achievements. If you enjoyed this story, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.